Hello guys. Today we are going to show you how to have uh, golden equipments which are tough to get. Let me show you cavalry equipments which need tendons. Tendons are tough to get and you have to try very hard to get a golden tendon. So usually we gamble to get a golden equipment with a brown tendon. So today I'm going to show you some ways which we can get uh, golden equipment with a brown tendon. So few steps, few things. First you must keep in mind, always try with 3 pieces of gold and 1 piece of orange, and your dragonite must be at least 30k. And never use gems to speed up the thing. Always keep the hours hourly speed ups. I have now, if I check, I have 43, so that will be enough. So let me show you how we do it, and hopefully we're gonna get a golden piece with brown tendon. So let's start. Here we're going to make jade belt with it, and here 3 pieces of gold, 1 pieces of brown tendon, and here we start. Now we're going to speed it up, but never using any kind of gems, only 1 hourly things, 1 hourly speed ups. So I'm speeding it up, speeding it up, speeding it up, and let's see what we get. And here it is, we got gold. And if you want more tendons, so you have to waste your dragonite, or you have to research to get dragonite back. So easy ways: make this jade belt and then go to equipments and disassemble, and you will get a golden rope. So do it 2 times for pieces which you need at least 3 tendons. Like for helmet and this ranger, you need 3 ropes. So at least make 2 pieces of gold using jade belt, and then disassemble the equipment and get one golden rope back. And this way you can get 2 golden ropes, and then the third one you try with brown. So it's a good way and easy way. So hopefully you get it how I tried to make a golden equipment using brown tendon. Okay, that's all enough. Bye bye. Any questions, throw them at in the comment box and I will reply. Bye bye. Subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.